Alright guys, randomizing the divisional break. Got Gideo on top, Gideo on the bottom, AFC North on top, NFC West on the bottom. Dice roll 5 or greater. Got 9. Good luck guys. Last roll. Got NFC East on top and AFC South on the bottom. What the fuck just happened? Somebody was commenting right when I was trying to copy and paste that. Oh, she worked.